What?
What? Wait, it's Ellis! It's Ellis! It's Ellis!
That's
From
right,
Left 4
my
Dead.
name's Ellis, and I've lived here all my life.
It can heal anything from a common cold to react to a meltdown.
Give me that. Is that Dr. House? I'm a scientist. Oh no, there's so many of you. There's so many of you. Hey, whoever says a bad word first gets a card.
Fuck!
Who said it? Who said it? Who said it? Who said it?
Me, I did. It was Huey.
It was Huey. Where's Huey? Huey. There's your card, pal.
I didn't get it. Fuck.
Hey, this guy stole it. This guy stole it. What the heck? A light containment zone decontamination process will occur in 15 minutes. Huh. What? Okay. Gotta love it, man.
Guys, if any of you
Oh
are
my god. No, bro, I
What's your
didn't
opinion
know.
about that?
I didn't know. I didn't know.
035 is a popular riff in rock music, specifically the song Smoke Up.
No. I picked up 035 on accident, bro.
This guy has 314 as his name instead of like an actual name. Yeah, I think it was.
Alright, boys, let's move. Oh, peanut. Keep looking at him. Nice. Oh, okay, just leave. Don't deactivate. Leave. Don't need to deactivate it. Yeah. Why? Let's go. W Foundation win. Okay. Class D. I love when there's no moderators.
I'm the guard captain.
Oh, we are gonna die. I'm a D class.
What are you, FBI?
I'm assigned.
PC 15. I'm gonna have all of the cards in this room. I'm the card hoarder. I hoard the cards.
They're saying shoot me.
Alright, you guys can have those cards, son. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Let me over there.
We gotta get out of here. Man. Oh, is that a gun?
You have the thing?
Who has a card to leave?
I thought you did.
I didn't have a card to leave. Dang it. Okay. The child found the Glock. You just found that. I don't know about you, man.
What the?
Oh.
That's
not very good.
Yeah.
Oh, he's going after the other guy. We can run. We have a chance. Oh my god, someone had pink candy. Oh, 914. Yes, 914. Let me in. We made it. No, get in. Oh, we made it out. Hey, kid. Here, have some hard drugs.
I got a bigger dick.
I live. I'm gonna live because I'm so Sigma. Oh, why do I have 30 rounds? Oh, he's gonna catch me.
so trusted you. I thought I could too. So why in bloody hell does Makarov know you?
Yeah, he's not so much on
Okay, Marauder? Marauders? Chaos Insurgency Marauder?
anywhere ever full.
I love this. I love this.
This is the last time ever. Long why it's the last time ever? Because you just need to be cool and just get access like a normal person.
Okay, yo. Oh my god, FBI! Oh, FBI, I'm so sorry! FBI! Let me in. Let me in. Let me in here. Let me in here. Let me in here. Hold on. Bang, bang, bang. Alright, boys, let's go kill all the SCPs. Me!
You're related.
I'm relieved.
Oh, yeah.
You should. Can you call all of your friends over here so we can murder them, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, computer.
Love you, bro. Love you, bro. You're the best.
Get in charge!
It's a cola right now. Jesus Christmas, that is a lot of you, and that's Doctor too? Speak of the devil. Die! 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 I don't even care if I died. I don't even care I died. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. I took him down. I took him down. I don't even care. I got him. Oh, never mind. Marauder. Marauder part 2, boys. Marauder part 2. I'm ready to kill everyone. No, but if we use the power of friendship, we can get him. With the power and of friendship. Oh my god, okay. Reloading, reloading, reloading.
I survived that.
Get him, repressor, get him, repressor. Oh wait, that's the gate, that's the gate, that's the gate, don't get that. Oh wait. Oh wait, that's an MTF! What? He's actually cooking for a split second there. Oh wait, never mind. Never mind, boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Yeah, kill him. Where are the evil SCPs? Where are they? 99 is probably right around here somewhere, I would assume. So, oh my god. Yeah, where's Peanut? Where's Peanut? Where's Peanut? Where's Peanut? Wait, it's gonna be down here. It's gonna be down here. It's gonna be down here. Yeah, he's dead. He's cooked. You're dead. You're dead. Let's go. Let's go. I vaporized 2 people. I vaporized 2 people, guys. Oh, okay. That's nice. Hi, guys.
Right to your right.
Why me though?
Cookie made it.
I really wanted that voice line. No way. Open up this John. Open up this John. Open up this John. I am going to rip you in half. Open the.
Hello, I have key card. Man, we don't have enough.
Thank you.
Sorry.
We're killing scientists first. Killing the scientists first.
Murder you.
We're not out there.
No, no, let me in. Guys, let me in. Guys, let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. He's right there. Please, he's right there, please. Please, please.
Bye, guys. I'll see you later.
No, Peanut.
Then you know what? I'm not letting you in my elevator. Oh no. Haha! Foiled again!